The error "the document has contrast issues" will appear in your Blackboard Ally accessibility report if there are documents in your course that have insufficient color contrast either via an image or text or background. And this is going to depend based off of the type of document that you have uploaded. For example, in this PowerPoint document, we have insufficient color contrast for where communication disorders appears at the bottom of each of the slides. To fix this, we can download the document. If we select Review, check for accessibility, PowerPoint might automatically detect that there is hard to read text contrast. If not, then we may need to reference the issue that Blackboard has signaled and then go to that text. And in this situation, we would actually want to increase that color contrast by making communication disorders lighter. If we just select white, that would then have sufficient color contrast for someone to clearly see the text overlaid on the background.